So on this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not letting you to create a new account. So first thing you want to do is open the settings, and then you have to go into the apps manager. Open the apps like this, go into the TikTok app. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Anyway, click on TikTok like this, and then click on this force stop as you can see, and then click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on this clear data and then click on delete. Let's go back again, and now all what you want to do next is go back into the settings of your phone, click on the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode and disable it again after you enable it. And now all what you want to do is just turn off your phone, turn it on again, and make sure now to try, and I'm sure the problem is solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.